Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I haven't been around for a while, but I'm back finally. The car is still here, the car is the same. It's beautiful. I've just been admiring it for a week. Today we're installing something that I've been meaning to do for a long time, and that is a quick release for my steering wheel. If you don't know, I have no seat right now. I took it off to take something out, but I have a Nardi steering wheel, and it's connected straight to the hub. And what happens is when I'm driving, my hand is like too close to the signal right here, and the wiper blade switch right here. And sometimes when I'm turning, I kind of like hit it by accident, and that gets annoying pretty quickly. So this is one of the reasons I didn't get this in the first place. I don't really see no use for a quick release. I mean, yeah, it looks cool and whatever, but you know, I didn't really see a use for it. But now it's just getting to me. So I picked this up, and we're gonna install that today. My seat's right here. Also, I'm not gonna put the seat in. I'm just gonna sit on the bare floor and do this. I don't think it should take that long, so I'll be fine. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna take this wheel off so I can get to the hub, and then we'll attach everything else later. Alright, so my steering wheel is officially out. By the way, this keeps popping off for some reason. I gotta find a new solution to this, but not liking this so far. Anyway, so that's all out of the way. The base is gonna go on here of the quick release. Also, my horn stopped working for some reason. I don't know why, but you know, whatever. Alright, cool. So we have our quick release right here. There's two parts to this. This is the base on the back, and this is the front part where the steering wheel actually goes on. So I'm gonna separate these two. Alright, so there it is. There's one and two. Now we're gonna work with this piece right here, and this goes exactly like that onto this part. There's also two cables on here for your horn, and my horn doesn't work, so I'm not too concerned about those. I'm not gonna connect them. By the way, this didn't come with any hardware, so went to Home Depot, got a couple different screws. I think they're M5 by 0.8 by 19 millimeter. I don't know. There's black ones, and there's also these other ones. If the black ones work, great. I'm gonna use that. If not, I'll use the other ones. Alright, so there's currently 4 on there. For some weird reason, I thought about 6. I guess I must have bought 4. Oh, that's funny. You can see me right there. But I'm just gonna use these ones right here. They're silver. I'll just use one on the top and one on the bottom to make it look a little nicer, but that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so this is what we're looking at right now. There's 2 black ones here, 2 black ones here, and the silver ones are up top and on the bottom. I mean, it kind of looks weird, but I probably won't take the steering wheel off enough to see it, so it doesn't really bother me that much. But that's what we're looking at right now. So our next step is basically to put our steering wheel on this, and then connect this to the actual hub of the car. And on here, same horn buttons. I don't have the horn, so not too worried. Now I'm gonna put the steering wheel onto this. A quick tip that I learned from someone else is the Energy logo right here has to go on the top. There's a dot right here, it has to go on the top when you're aligning with your hub. So just keep that in mind. Also on here, Energy logo on top. Alright, I'm done trying to make this look good. This is hard to do with one hand. Alright, everything is back together. Looks solid, and again, one hand is hard. And it comes off. There we go. Oh, you can't even see. But yeah, the thing is back here. Kind of just align it. There's a soft spot, it just clicks anyways, and that's about it. It's solid, it's not coming out, so good sign. But that'll be about it for today's video. Also, I had this mask on the whole time. I hope you liked today's video, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you consider subscribing, I would appreciate it, and I'll see you in another video. Peace. God damn, this car looks so good. Like, you see, there's some, I'm not gonna point it out. There's flaws with the car that I don't want to point out, because once you see it, you can't really unsee it, so I don't want you to see it in the first place. But damn, So nice. I really, really, really like the car. Also, I'm getting more into photography and I got this new lens. So I'll occasionally post photos here and there. Whew, look at that. Quick release steering wheel. Car is blue and yellow. That's my seat, which is ripped. Ripped to that. Gotta change that sometime. Yeah, everything looks good. It just looks good.